Hey guys, and welcome to episode 5 on how to code in HTML. In this episode, we'll be going over how to make lists in HTML. So there's two methods, or maybe not methods, but designs you can do with your code. You can have lists that have circles, and you can also have them with numbers. So depending on what you want to do, it's going to kind of depend. So the first example we're going to be doing is with circles. So if you want to make your list with circles, that's what we're going to be doing right now. So of course we're going to start out with our doc type. Oops, don't forget the exclamation mark, of course. And then HTML to announce that we're doing our code in HTML. Then we're going to do HTML to start our code. And now we're going to do a just UL command. Go down, li, then we're going to have a text. So for my list, I'm going to have it based on fruits I like. That's a random example. Fruits I like. And then we're going to end it with our /li command. Now we're going to do another ul command. So remember that fruits I like is going to be our title of this list. And then ul, once again, to start a new list. And then li, then we're also going to have text. So this is going to be what's actually going to be in the list. So let's do oranges. I like oranges. Oranges are pretty good, not going to lie. And then we're going to end it with our /li command. Boom. Then we're going to do, when we're done with our list, which we're not, because I want to show you at least a few of them on. But let's say we're done. We're just going to do /ul to end it. Now, let's add a few more things to our list here. Once again, li. Let's say I also like blueberries. Blueberries are pretty good. So let's also add blueberries to our list here. Then let's do what's another really good fruit that people might like? Oh, let's do cherries. Cherries are pretty good. And I'm just not to go on too long, because I think you guys are getting the idea. That's going to be the rest of our list. So that's literally it. So if you want to make a list that uses circles, that's all you're going to do. So let's go put it inside of our website and see what it looks like. Okay, and we're back on the website just to show you guys what this would look like if you write your code, what this is going to look like on the website. So we have our list, and keep in mind that you can make this list as long as you want, as long as you're doing the correct format. But this is what it's going to look like. Fruits I like, and then we got oranges, blueberries, and cherries in that little circle pattern. Now let's say you want it to be numbers. Now this actually is going to be a little bit of a difference. All you're going to do is you're going to do OL instead of UL. Oops. OL instead of UL. And now it's going to be numbers. So, whatever one you want to do, it's going to be pretty much the same thing, just a letter difference there. And some people don't like the first little dot there, where it says fruits I like at the title. There's that little dot. And if you don't want that there, personally, I like it there. Just it looks aesthetically kind of pleasing. But if you don't want it there for whatever reason, you just make the li, the first li you do, into p. And then that should fix it and make it just simply, what is it? What on earth is it? Just normal text. So, if you don't want the dot, that's how you get rid of it. So, pretty easy stuff right there. But that's pretty much it for this, episode for today. I didn't really have too much to go into. I just kind of wanted to, show you guys how to do lists. And, yeah. Hopefully this was helpful.